Click on the link below to get price. The Qlife Electric Bike for adults stands out as an impressive option for both casual riders and commuting enthusiasts. With its powerful peak 750W motor, this e-bike delivers a smooth and exhilarating riding experience, effortlessly tackling hills and long distances. The motor provides ample torque, allowing for swift acceleration and a top speed that can make commuting feel like a breeze. One of the standout features of the Qlife bike is its 7-speed gearing system. This versatility allows riders to adapt to various terrains and conditions, whether you're cruising on flat city streets or navigating more challenging paths. The shifting is responsive and smooth, enabling a seamless transition between gears that enhances the overall riding experience. The bike's design is both stylish and functional, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that balances durability with lightweight handling. The frame geometry is designed for comfort, making longer rides more enjoyable. Additionally, the adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars cater to different rider heights, ensuring a personalized fit. Battery life is another critical aspect where the Qlife excels. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it offers a commendable range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on usage and terrain. The removable battery design adds convenience, allowing for easy charging at home or in the office. Safety features such as front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, giving riders confidence in their control, especially in urban environments. The inclusion of bright LED headlights and reflective elements enhances visibility during night rides, ensuring safety in low-light conditions. Overall, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults is a well-rounded electric bike that combines performance, comfort, and safety. Its robust motor, versatile gearing, and thoughtful design make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience, whether for daily commutes, recreational rides, or weekend adventures.